friends, welcome back to Seed of Melanin, and today we've got a great craft for you. We're going to be learning about Louis Armstrong, and he played the trumpet. So that's what we're going to be making today. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Supplies you're going to need for this craft include a paper towel roll, construction paper, at least 2 sheets, scissors, glue, and a marker or pencil.
Okay, so our first step is we're going to take our construction paper and we're going to wrap it and glue it around our paper towel roll.
For this step, you can use a glue stick or liquid glue, whatever you have on hand. Put a lot of glue on your paper towel roll and apply your construction paper.
Now we have the base of our trumpet.
So next we're going to use another piece of paper and we're going to make 2 half circles, one bigger, one smaller, in order to make the horn of our trumpet. I'm just going to freestyle this, but you can use a cup or a bowl if you want to.
Make a half circle in the bottom half of your construction paper, followed by a smaller half circle. Then you can cut them out and they will form a sort of U shape.
Now we need to cut some notches.
These notches do not need to be any particular length. You are just going to fold them down to help form your trumpet.
We're going to fold them down now. Now we're going to put the horn on our trumpet.
Now you want to apply your glue to your U shape as well to your notches all around the edges. Now glue the 2 pieces together carefully. As a fun addition to your trumpet, you can add 3 little notches to the top using small pieces of construction paper.
Now we have our Louis Armstrong trumpet.
Give it a go. What song will you play, guys? Bye-bye.
Subscribe to our channel for more videos.